Want to change the font style on your iPhone running iOS 26? Let's make it easy. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Here, you can adjust text size by dragging the slider and toggle bold text to make fonts thicker and easier to read. For more advanced customization, go back to Settings, then tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Here, you can explore options like larger text, button shapes, and increase contrast. Now, if you want to change the font style while typing, open Settings again. Scroll to Accessibility, then tap Keyboard. Tap Hover Typing, then toggle it on. You'll see a font option here. Tap it and select your preferred font style. When you type in supported apps, your keyboard will now use the font you chose. Note, this won't change the entire system font, but it's a simple way to personalize your iPhone typing experience. And that's it. Enjoy your new font style on iOS 26.